In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find downloaded songs on Amazon Music. If you've saved music for offline listening, there are two practical places to look. Inside the Amazon Music app, which is the simplest and most reliable, and on your computer's storage, which is more advanced and comes with limitations. First, let's do it the easy way inside the app. On your PC or Mac, open the Amazon Music desktop app or sign in to the web app. Head to Library, then choose Songs. From there, use the Downloaded filter or look for a dedicated offline or downloaded section. This view shows only the tracks that are stored locally for offline playback. If you don't see anything, it usually means nothing has been downloaded to that device yet. When your list appears, you can sort or search as usual and start listening immediately. No internet required. It's important to understand why this section matters. Music you download with an Amazon Music subscription, whether Prime or Unlimited, is protected. The files are encrypted and designed to play only within the Amazon Music app. That's part of the licensing rules, so other media players won't be able to open them, even if you locate the files on your drive. If you still want to find where those files live on your computer, you can check the path from within the app. Go to your profile, open Settings, and look for the offline download location. On Windows, the folder may be something like cpos/users/your name. Music, Amazon Music. On a Mac, it may be under your Music folder at Amazon Music. Some versions also store data inside hidden application folders. Keep in mind, though, what you'll find there are app-managed, often hidden or system files, and they'll remain encrypted. Moving or editing them can break playback, and they won't work in other players. A quick note about ownership. Songs you purchase from Amazon as MP3s are different from subscription downloads. Purchased tracks are standard files that you can save and use outside the app. Subscription downloads are tied to your active plan. If you cancel Amazon Music Unlimited or Prime, those offline downloads become unavailable until you regain access. For fast, hassle-free listening, the downloaded view in the app is the best tool. It puts all your offline music in one place without digging through folders, so you can press play and enjoy your music wherever you are.